Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Ferdinand.
Okay, please take your seats.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so today we will going to have a game. So the name of the game is Shapes of Fractions. So I will show you a flashcard. So this is our flashcard. Look, this is our flashcards with shapes on it. So the thing you need to do is to name the fractions shown by the shapes. So the first one who will get 2 correct answers will be the winner. So do you understand, class?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. Yes, Armin.
1/2.
Yes, that's right, 1/2. 1 point for Armin. Ara. What is this? Yes, that's right, 2/3. 1 point for Ara. Bim Bim.
1.
Yes, that's right. 1. Yes, Armin.
4.
Yes, that's right. 3/4. So Armin got the first 2 correct answers. So she is the winner. So please give her a hooray clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Okay. So before we move on to the next topic, who can tell me about our topic last meeting? Yes, RB.
I think the topic that we discussed last meeting is all about whole numbers.
Yes, that's right. Our topic that we discussed last meeting is about whole numbers. So, please give me an examples of whole numbers. Yes, Abby. Yes, that's right. That is an examples of whole numbers. Another examples. Yes, Armin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, that's right. That is correct. So, you indeed understood our last topic that we discussed, or previous lesson, last meeting. So, before that, before we move on to the next topic, we will going to have another game. So, the name of the game is Fraction Spinner Game. So, I have here a spinner board. So, with drops on it. So, using your pencil, where is your pencil anyway? Please wave like this. Your pencil. Okay. So, using your pencil, you will have to spin the paper clip. So, this is the paper clip. Look, class, this is the paper clip. So, you will have to spin the paper clip, and then you will have to answer the corresponding fractions on the graphs. So, do you understand, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. So, let's start with Armin. Where is your pencil? Please give her a pencil. So, spin it. So this is, what is the function? Yes, that's right, 3, 6. So let's give her a round of applause. So another one, yes, Princess. Yes, that's right.
3, 6.
Yes, that's right, 3, 6. Another one. Yes, Aaron. Is the function? Yes, that's right. 1/2. So another one is bring. Yes, that's right. That is 3, 6. Another one. Yes, long tab. Yes, that's right. 1/2. Another. Last one is RV.
One half.
Yes, that's right. 1/2. So let's give ourselves a hooray clap again.
Hooray!
1, 2, 3. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Do you enjoy the game class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So um, based on the game that we play, what do you think is our topic for today? Yes, RD.
I think the topic for today is all about fractions.
Yes, that's right. The topic that I will going to discuss today is all about fractions. So I will discuss to you the concepts of a fraction. So, but before we go into the proper discussion, let's set our classroom rules first. So, what should you do when the teacher is discussing? Yes, RB.
We should listen.
Yes, that's right. We should listen carefully when the teacher is discussing. So, what should you do when you are to answer? Yes, Ara. What should you do when when you are to answer? Yes, that's right. We should raise our hands. So, what should you do when there is a group activity? Yes, Arvin.
We should cooperate.
Yes, that's right. We should cooperate to our group mates. So, class, I want you to remember the classroom rules. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Class, I have here a bond paper with a pizza drawing. So, in your observation class, how many equal parts are there in a pizza drawing? Yes, Armin.
8.
Yes, that's right. There are 8 equal parts. So, if I eat one slices of it, if I eat one slices of pizza over 8 equal parts, so the fraction symbol would be so if I ate one slices over the 8 slices of pizza, the fraction will be 1/8. So 1/8. So class, what do you think is 1/8? 1/8 is an example of what? Yes, RV?
Fraction.
Yes, that's right. 1/8 is an example of fraction. So there are 3 parts of a fraction. There are 3 parts of a fraction. The numerator and in kilo. So again, please read everyone.
Numerator, denominator, and include.
Yes, these are the 3 parts of a fraction. So in the given example class, this is the given example class. So what do you think is the numerator in this example? Yes, Arby.
1.
Yes, that's right. This is the numerator. So what about the denominator? Yes, Ara. Yes, that's right. 8. think is the denominator. So what about the vinculum? The vinculum. Yes, Arvin.
1
Yes, that's right. This is the vinculum. Okay, class. So what do you think about class? What do you think about the numerator? What do you think about the numerator? What do you think about the numerator, class? Yes, Bamba.
It tells about the numbers of slice of pizza.
Yes, that's right. Numerator in the given example is that it tells about the slices of pizza. So what about the denominator? What does it tell, class? Yes, Bamba.
It tells about the equal parts.
Yes, that's right. It tells about the equal parts in this sample, which is 8. So what about the vinculum? What is its function? Yes, Bamba.
It is the line that separates the numerator and denominator.
Yes, that's right. It is the line between the numerator, which is 1, and the denominator, which is 8. So, a fraction, there are 3 types of a fraction. Three types of fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction. And its number. So there are 3 types of fraction. So class, please read.
Proper
Fraction.
Improper fraction. Mixed number.
Yes, that's right. So for proper fraction, we have here an example. 1. So if we compare 1 to 3, what do you think? What do you think is 1? Is 1 less than or greater than 3? Yes, Arby.
Less than.
Yes, that's right. 1 is less than 3. So 1 is less than 3. So, class, what do you think about the proper fraction? Yes, Arby.
Proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator.
Yes, that's right. So 1 is our numerator, which is less than its denominator, which is 3. That's right. So we have here another example for improper fraction. So we have 3, 2. So if we compare 3 to 2, what do you think is 3? 3 is less than or greater than 2. What do you think? Yes, Arby.
Greater than.
Yes, that's right. 3 is greater than 2. So, class, what do you think is the proper fraction? Yes, Arby.
Improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than
Yes.
its denominator.
Yes, that's right. So, improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator. So 3 is greater than 2. So the last one or the last type is mixed number. So we have here an example. So plus, what do you think is the whole number in this example? Yes, Arby.
6.
Yes, that's right. 6 is the whole number. Whole number. What about the proper fraction in this example? Yes, Ara. Yes, Arvin.
One,
What is the proper fraction of this number? Yes, Arvin.
two,
Another example.
one half,
Yes, Arvin. One half. One half is the proper fraction. So, class, what do you think is the mixed number? Yes, Arvin.
mixed number is a combination of whole numbers and proper fraction.
Yes, that's right. Mixed number is a combination of a whole numbers, which is 6, and the proper fraction, which is 1 half. So again, what are the 3 parts of a fraction? What are the 3 parts? Yes, Arby.
Numerator, denominator, and include.
Yes, that's right. Numerator, denominator, and vinculum. So, what about the 3 types of a fraction? Yes, Arby.
Improper proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed numbers.
Yes, that's right. The 3 types of a fraction are proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. So again, one half. One half is an example of what type of a fraction? Yes, Arby.
Proper fraction.
Yes, that's right. This is a proper fraction. So, about 2 what? What is this is an example of what type of fraction? Yes, Ara?
6.
Another idea. Yes, about
Proper fraction.
what again?
Proper
Yes, that's right. Improper fraction. So this example, what is this type of a fraction? Yes, Arby.
mixed number.
Yes, that's right. This is an example of mixed number. So again, 1/2 is an example of
Proper fraction.
Ito is an example of
Improper fraction.
6/1/3 is an example of
Mixed number.
yes, that's right. So class, I have here an activity for you. So, class, I want you to group yourselves into 2. I want you to 2 groups. 2 members. I want you to group yourselves into 2. So, since you are 6 all in all, so there are 3 groups. So, you will be the group 1, and group 2, group 3. So, direction is, listen carefully, direction. Illustrate fractions through graph. So, you need to illustrate these fractions through graph. Like for example, 1/3. So, I will illustrate 1/3. that's right. This is an example. So, are you ready, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. Right, your group one, right? This is your answer. One. You are group.
B.
Okay. The answer in group A, what did you do to find the answer? This number one. What did you do? You
I drew the shape and part
yes.
I drew a heart shape.
Heart shape, then
Then I shaped the house.
oh yes, that's right. You shape the heart. That's correct. And in this second,
I drew circle shape.
circle shape.
I shaped
Okay, you shape the two parts, and that's correct. 2/3. Number three,
I drew a square shape and I shaped the four
the square.
square.
Yes, that's right. So you are correct. Then number four, did you go?
I drew a circle and shaped four parts.
Yes, you shape the four parts, which is correct. And what about number five?
I drew a circle shape and shaped the three parts.
Okay, that's correct. So for group one, you have 5 correct answer. For group 3, you have 5 correct answer. What about the group 2? Okay, group 2 got 5 correct answers. So excellent. let's give ourselves a hooray clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hooray, hooray, hooray! So, I have here a activity. So it is an individual activity for you. So this is an individual activity. So direction. Write the fraction being asked in the following problems. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So in your one note sheet of paper, write the correct answers. So in your one sheet of paper, okay. Okay, you will answer the fraction being asked in the following problems. Okay, we have bring one note sheet of paper. Okay. Where is your paper? Okay. Then answer it and then pass. Okay. Finish. Okay, pass. Pass. Finish. Okay. So in number 1, kindly read, everyone. Kindly read, everyone.
The 50 scores in activity items quiz. What fraction of that quiz did Jack answer incorrectly?
Yes, that's right. So what did you do to get the answer? What did you do? You did and number 1. Yes, that's right. So 20 minus 15, which is 5. So 5 over 20 item quiz. So that is the answer, the correct answer. So 5 over 20 is the answer for number 1. So number 2, kindly read.
Honey baked by a pizza with 8 slices. Eat 3 slices of it. What part of the pizza did Honey Bake eat?
So in number 2, how did you get the answer? So what part of the pizza did Honey Bake eat? So how many slices of pizza did Honey Bake eat?
3.
Yes, that's right, 3. So how many equal parts? How many equal parts?
8.
Yes, that's right. So 3 over.
8.
Yes, that's right. 3 over 8 is the correct answer. So number 3. Can you read?
The grade 4 class of Wawa Elementary School has 15 boys out of 35 learners. What fraction of the class are girls?
So how did you get the answer in number 3?
4.
How did you get? Did you get? So in the problem there are 15 boys out of 35 learners. So the problem is what function of the class are girls?
4.
So how did you get? So there are 35 learners. So minus 15 boys. That's right. So 35 minus 15.
4.
So yes, that's right. 20. So there are 20 girls in grade 4 class. 20 over how many learners?
35.
Yes, that's right. 35 and 20 over 35 is the answer. So number 4. Kindly read. Kindly read. Please listen. Class, listen. So number 4. Kindly read.
In a basket with 10 fruits, there are 5 orange. What fraction of the fruits are orange?
So, how did you do? What did you do to get the answer for number 4? So how many oranges are there? How many oranges? Yes, that's right, 5. So how many equal parts or how many
10.
fruits? Yes, that's right. So 5 over.
10.
Yes, that's right. 5 over 10. And lastly, number 5. Number 5, can you read?
3 red, 2 pink, and 1 yellow roses. What fraction of the roses were red?
Again, how many 3 red roses are there?
3.
Yes, that's right. So 3. So how many equal parts of roses?
1.
How many?
6.
6. That's right. How did you get the number 6?
I plus the 3, 2, and 1.
Oh, that's right. You add 3 red, 2 pink, and 1 yellow roses, which is 6. So 3 over 6 is the answer for number 5. So in class you have an assignment. So this is your assignment. this is your assignment. So, direction. Write the symbol of the fractions. Again, the direction. Write the symbols of following fractions. So, for example, 4/3. So 4/3 in the symbol of 4/3 is 4 over
Thirds.
oh yes 4 over thirds. So this is the symbol for number 1. This is an example. So the answer for this is 4 over 3. So please write this on your math notebook and then you will pass it tomorrow morning. So do you understand, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please stand up. Okay. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Sir Ferdinand.
Okay, goodbye. Mana?